Good night. This will be a microscopic examination of 3 slides. One just by P, another is P after electrolysis with the relatively heavy transformer, 19 volt, 4.74 ampere. It's quite disgusting. And it smells it smells pretty bad, like worms, like synthetic worms that are created because of the symbols. And the last one is mixture from the glass container, the last that I have from that contains enriched mixture, diluted with a little bit of P because it's very, very oily, and like almost solid oil with wax. So diluted with a little bit of P. I covered the slide with sellotape because I don't have covers. I walked that way during the initial steps of my study. It's not the best solution, but we will do with that for now. It will not be like a very lengthy microscopic examination, just for reference before we continue with the DC over air experiment and the slide energizing experiment. Start with just the P, and then P after electrolysis, and then the mixture, the enriched mixture from the glass container. This is what it's two cell tapes that are covered together. This is where they are joined. This is a nice Neo, very big one. Smaller one. So we've seen Neos, but this sample is heavily polluted with, contaminated with all sorts of stuff from the sellotape. It's better to use the glass slides. Maybe tomorrow I'll buy new glass slide and covers, so we can because now we cannot really know what's the source of all this contamination. It could be very well from the slide itself, from the sellotape, because I touch it with with my hands, and it can be things from the skin or all sorts of stuff. It's so disgusting. I mean, it's so kind of like full of things that it's difficult to say. I mean, what's the source of all these contaminations? We do see Neros, but yeah, I mean, working with sellotape as cover is really, I mean, it's not the best thing. Just as I don't have like glass covers, maybe 2 or 3, even them are kind of like used already. So it's just, I mean, I need to buy new ones. I'll do it maybe even tomorrow. Even though I'm doing the moving, I mean, but still I can do it later. I mean, just buy new covers in Holon, in Simada. I go there, like to a laboratory store. It's not that expensive actually. You can like in 100 shekel you can buy like hundreds of covers and slides. So that's what we'll do. Because this way, I mean, it's so much, so contaminated and like unprofessional. We've seen Neros, but that are kind of like in the quantity that you can expect from P. You don't usually have much in P, like Neros. P is not like heavy Neros. I mean, semen is much more heavy in Neros. So for P, we've seen like actually what you can expect, but all these contaminations, like, I don't know what to think of it, and I don't want to just be worried, for nothing, because it can might be for all the contaminations, and the slides themselves are actually, that's not even the first usage, it's like after washing, because I don't have new slides. Overall, not much can be said using this configuration, but again, maybe tomorrow we'll have new ones. So the second one is from the electrolysis chamber, also covered with sellotape. You can't get much information from this. I mean, I don't know what it is. It's just too murky. And the sellotape is obviously, I mean, it doesn't like, it doesn't even sit like well on the slide, so there's like huge kind of like, not bubble, like, lump of air, so overall, just, I mean, bad setup, and you can't really understand much from it. This is a Nero, of course. Another small one. Okay, not much can be learned from it. Okay, now the last one from the enriched mixture. So right away we see nice Neos, fat ones. Pretty big. This is 64 magnification, by the way, that we use. Relatively small magnification. We see quite a bit of Neros. This is a large one. Let's try to zoom in. Nice, very nice Nero. Nice. Indeed, very nice Neros. So this will be the mixture that we will use for trying to multiply the Neros. We'll use this mixture. The only thing that we can worry about is the conductivity, because it's very, very thick with oil. But maybe the strong transformer will overcome this, and we can create a nice amount of new Neros that will be shown under the microscope. So we'll use this mixture. Again, it's a little bit of P and material from the enriched mixture. Very nice. We see all sort of Neros with all sort of sizes. Very well. Okay, so that will be the mixture for the multiplying stage, the first stage. We are just need to think of the correct container for that. Maybe maybe we'll use the same metal container that we used now. No, we'll use like a glass, just a simple glass. Just a simple glass. We'll do it in a minute. Okay, so that's it for now.